Hey guys, if your Windows 11 user profile is corrupted and you can't log in or see errors like default profile loading, don't worry, this can be fixed quickly. First, restart your PC and log in with another account that has administrator privileges. If you don't have another account, press Windows R, type NETPLWIZ, and create a new administrator account. Once logged in with a working account, press Windows R, type Regedit, and press Enter. To open the Registry Editor, navigate to HKE_L local_machine. Inside the profile list, you will see several folders starting with S15 followed by a long number. Click each folder and check the profile image path entry to find the corrupted profile. If you see a folder ending with .back, rename it by removing the .back extension and remove any duplicate folders without .back. Close the Registry Editor and restart your PC. After restart, log in with the previously corrupted account. Windows should create a new profile based on your registry changes. If some files are missing, navigate to See Users and copy your documents, pictures, and desktop files from the old profile folder to the new one. This restores most of your data and settings without the corrupted profile errors. If you still face issues, using the UNUD administrator account as your main profile is recommended. Following these steps will fix corrupted user profiles in Windows 11 and allow you to use your PC normally. If this video helped you fix your user profile, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and I will see you in the next video.